Checking if your YouTube channel has a problem or it is shadow banned is very important. A lot of people complain that, oh, they have done so many things possible, but at the end of the day, they are still not getting the views. If they are monetized, they are still not getting the coins. YouTube is not recommending their videos, and a lot of up and down. It's very important for you to check whether your YouTube channel is shadow banned or not. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to check if your YouTube channel is shadow banned. And this particular check list we are going to be using is not YouTube Studio, so ignore or erase YouTube Studio totally. We are going to be using the Chrome browser to check all of this, just to know if your YouTube channel is in good shape. And I'm going to be using two of my channel to do this illustration so that you can actually see what is happening on your channel, and also you can also do the same. Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Sonia, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine, hope you guys are good. If this is the first time tuning in, do subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with all of that being said, let's just go straight into my phone and show you how to check if your channel is shadow banned or your channel is having any issue. So let's go there. My screen record is all started, and we'll just go straight to Chrome. Like I said, we are going to be using the Chrome version, not the studio version. Okay, so if you click on Chrome, you're going to go ahead and click on this search button, and if you click on this search button, you are going to be typing Elozanat. Just check what I'm typing. Elozanat. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it very well, but this is elozanat.com/YT checker. This enables you to check if your YouTube channel is having any issue or any other stuff that you need to know. And you're going to be typing this in the Chrome. So you're going to be seeing their link here, exactly how it is popped up here. And you're going to click on the Elozanat link. And once it's you click, this is the interface that you are going to see. Okay, so once you get to this interface, what you are going to do is to minimize, or before you can come here, you can actually copy your channel link before coming here. So choose whichever one that is more preferable for you. So right now, I just minimized and I went back to my YouTube, and I am going to copy my YouTube link. So I will just click on these three dots, and then I'll go ahead and click on what share, so I can copy my YouTube channel link because I want to check for this particular channel. Now I'm going to minimize as well and go back to it and wait for it to load as well. That's why I said it is even more preferable if you copy this before typing the search button, so that you can just paste as well. So now the next thing is to go ahead and paste my channel link here. So if I paste my channel link here, you're going to be seeing this place where this number is 501. I'm going to go ahead and enter the number here, which is what? 501. So if I enter the number, the next thing I'm going to be doing is to click on enter, where you're seeing this enter sign. So I'll go ahead and click on enter. And once I click on enter, it is going to start running all the checks that is supposed to run on this particular channel. So after running all the checks and every other stuff that you need to know, it is going to bring out your channel analytics. Okay, and the good part I love about this thing is it is absolutely free. It doesn't require you to subscribe or anything, stuff, blah, 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 like that. This is going to tell you if your channel is running, if your channel is monetized, your channel is not monetized, your channel is shadow banned, why is the shadow banned, and every other stuff. So you can see that this channel, Vibe with Sonia, is monetized. Channel authenticity status, this channel is perceived as original. Good, 100%, very important. Then channel advertising status, ads are active and 100% owned by the channel. Okay, you can see region where this channel is restricted. There is no restriction at all on this channel. Okay, you can see that there is no restriction at all. So for some persons that are always dropping comments and telling me that I used to see messages saying my videos are restricted because of this, because of that, so this is a good opportunity for you to run all these checks so that you can know if your channel is in good shape or not. And then I'm going to go ahead to read more. You can see location of this channel, Nigeria. You can see my telephone number, which is a +234, that is the Nigerian code, and then the region, Islamic, Sunni, Christianity, blah, 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 because you guys know that we are mixed now and the rest of that. So you can see when this channel was created. This channel was created 18 June 2021, 3 years, 2 months, 12 days old today, total of 118 days. So you can see like this, all of these things that you're going to be seeing, language default about this channel and every other stuff. So this channel is already good because I don't want to go down, because if I go down more, you guys are going to be seeing all of my revenues and every other stuff, and of which you guys know that that one is a private property. Okay, so let's move to my second channel again. So all I will just do if I want to go to my second channel is also to minimize, and that is why I said you can actually do this probably before coming here. Okay, Oh, I just mistakenly opened Facebook. And then I go to YouTube again. Once I go to YouTube, I want to check my Sonia Onoja's channel so that you guys can also see. Oh, go back. I think I've clicked something that is wrong. So I want to check my second channel. So right now I'm on my second channel, which is the Sonia Onoja channel, and I'm just going to go ahead to click on this and then click on this place as well, which is my picture, and then I'm going to click and copy my link the same way I did on the other one. So if you don't know how to copy or share your channel link directly, this is another way for you to do it. Then I'm going to go back to my Chrome browser. I'm going to go ahead to like skip this ad. So if you're seeing ad, just skip. Okay, then I'm going to paste this here, and after pasting this, I'm just going to scroll up again and enter this code, which is 113. So I'm going to click on enter. So if I click on enter, you're going to also wait for it to load. So you can just remove this video, anything that is showing here. So you can see this is the Sonia Onoja's channel, and the channel analytics and the monetization status and everything is running. And here you can see this channel is perceived as original, good 100%, ads are actively blah blah blah, region of this channel restricted, no restriction at all, location Nigeria, and every other stuff. I don't want to also go down so that you guys will not see every other stuff that you guys are not supposed to see. Even the keywords and tags that is on the channel homepage, because this one is actually on my channel homepage, you're definitely going to see everything that is concerning this channel. You can see they said this channel is created 5 years ago, 11 months, 17 days, total of 2,177 days. So this is exactly how you are going to check if your channel has any issue, or your channel is shadow banned, or your channel is restricted from a particular region, a particular country, or your channel is not even eligible for YouTube to monetize the channel, and every other check that you're supposed to run as a YouTuber. It is very important that you do this, okay? So I don't joke with this. I don't joke with this. Ever since I saw this and I started working with this, there is no week that I don't check my channel. It is very, very important. If you continue to check your channel, you'll be able to know if a channel is having an issue and how you can sort out the issue. A lot of people put effort in creating content on a channel that at the end of the day, they are not even going to monetize at all. I have an issue whereby a lady was putting in her effort and everything, and she got her 4,000 watch hour and her 1,000 subscribers, and at the end of the day, they told her that she cannot monetize the channel. So only for we to go and run this check, we noticed that there was a video that she uploaded that has already violated, and it was a strong violation on the YouTube community monetization guidelines that affected her channel, that she can never monetize that channel. So if you don't want to fall into this particular kind of situation, you need to make sure you're running this check on your channel either once a week or once a month, just to be sure that everything you are doing, you are in line with the YouTube monetization partnership, blah, blah, blah. So if your channel has issue, this will actually review everything that you need to know. Okay? Very, very important. If you have any question you want to ask me, let me know in the comment section. If this is the first time you're tuning in and you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Do well to hit up my subscribe button, because in this channel, I try as much as possible to help you grow your YouTube and other social media platform. I also bring out apps, website that you can actually make extra side hustle, okay? So yes, thank you so much for staying stick and hook me to the end of this video. If you have any video idea you actually want me to do for you, or you have any video requests, don't always forget to put it in the description box, because in as much as you're putting it, I'll be looking at it and I'll be answering your questions with videos, okay? So anyways, with no further ado, I like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Please hit on that subscribe button. It is very, very important. Bye for now. I love you guys. Mwah.